Good morning everyone. Once again welcome back to channel. So in this video we are going to start Java programming and we will start from the step 1. And what is step 1? Step 1 is to make machine Java executable. Yeah, so that we can run the Java programs on our machine. So for the first thing we have to install is JDK. And how you will install JDK? Just type JDK download, come here. You can click JDK download here also, or you can select from down which version you need. I will prefer the latest one that you can just download from here only, and I will just drop the link in the description below. After downloading this from here, you can select from here. Okay, and if you are running a Linux, then you should select Linux version, or if Mac, then Mac. Otherwise, if you are a Windows user like me, you can use this one. Okay, so the next part is that which IDE should we uh, so after this we will just check that whether we have installed the JDK in our machine or not. So for that we will just run the CMD. Okay, and after that we will just write here uh, Java space hyphen hyphen version. So if these three are coming, then you can assume that you have already installed this JDK. Then after that we will just check that do we have Java compiler, that is JAVAC C JAVAC space hyphen hyphen version. If this is also correct, then you are perfectly ready to go to execute some beautiful programs further. Okay, so just close this and just think about which editor you are using, which editor you will use in writing your Java codes. If you are already using some good IDE, then it's good. Otherwise you can prefer VS Code. Okay, this is wonderful code editor which provides you so many extensions with it. So we will just come here and download it for Windows, or it is also available for other platform. If you are from Linux, then you can download from here. If Mac, then here. If you're Windows user like me, you can download it from here. If you're using 64-bit, then please download 64-bit, or otherwise if you're using 32-bit, then download 32-bit. After downloading this, you have to install. I have already downloaded it earlier, so I will just download it again and perform the installation. That's what you have to do. Okay, then afterwards we will just write our first program to check whether our compiler is running or correct or not. Then afterwards we will come to the next video. So the internet speed is very good. It is got completed. Now I'm opening it. So it's getting open. So just accept the agreement, then next, then check all these buttons. Why? See, suppose I have to open VS Code for this Java folder, so I will just click here and open with code. I can open my VS Code from directly here. Okay, so for this you have to check all these three buttons so that they can provide the extension to the Windows Explorer, or that shortcut to the Windows Explorer. Okay, so these, then click on stop. Your VS Code will be installed. After this, I will not install this because mine is already installed here. Okay, so what I will do, I will just click here Java, then new folder, then right click, open with code. So this path will be opened as opened in VS Code. Okay, so from here we are in new folder. We can just create a new file. We will just create hello world program, hello world dot, and remember to write the extension .java so that it can identify that it's Java file. Okay, so this is how you create your file. But there is something more which you have to install in VS Code that is extension, and from where you will install, come here down, this is extension, click on it. Now search here for Java extension tech. So it will install all 6 Java extensions which are necessary for running the Java program. So remember that it should be a Microsoft written here. Then you just install it from here. I have already installed, that's why it is coming disable and uninstall. Okay, don't panic after seeing this. So let's come to our code. Okay, so we will just write our first code. So the program start from import for writing hello world. I will just write subscribe to my channel. So for running this code, you simply need to click this done button. Okay. So it has printed this subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this shows that we have successfully installed our Java compiler in our PC and IDE in our PC, so that we are able to solve so many programs here. Okay, so let's meet in our next video. Till then, thank you for watching. With